Hi guys, welcome to new vlog, video, whatever. This is gonna be a house tour. My sister's filming me. So this is my house in Budapest in Hungary. That's our car. It's not really interesting. And then that's the way to the yard, but we're gonna go there later. So just be here. This is just our front yard, I would say. And then that's the way to the kitchen. And that's the way to like the normal way in. But it doesn't really have an entrance. This is the living room, TV room. This is our balcony. We eat there sometimes. And then that's our couch and the TV. And that's the working place of my parents here. That's my brother's room. This is my little puppy dog. That's the kitchen. I kind of like it, it's nice. Here's your air conditioner. Favorite thing ever. I kind of like that thing. There's the fridge. Yeah, let's go back again. So that's the little bathroom here. It's like not really interesting, so I'm not going in there. It doesn't really matter. Should we go downstairs first? Let's go downstairs. Our basement there, it's just like packed stuff and behind the door. But the interesting part that comes now, because this is our pool room. Yeah, it has that cover thingy on it, so it's kind of weird. Then that's the running machine, whatever. We have a turtle. What's his name? I don't even know. So we can go outside here if we want. And then we have a sauna here. And a shower. I actually haven't been in there yet. So now we are outside. And that's our guest house. It's kind of nice too. Should we show it too? That's the stairs to our balcony thingy. That's where the pool is. And then that's the way to our guest house. So this is where I usually go to work, or my parents come to work, and people can stay here. It's kind of neat. So that's like our workspace. I usually come here to Skype too. Then that's the kitchen area, and then there's the room for people like staying here. It's like kind of fun. Then it's the bed, and that's the bathroom. So if anyone wants to come to my house, that's what you would say. Now we're in the lobby again, and now we're going upstairs to our rooms. Yeah. This is my room. Yeah, I just cleaned it up. Yeah. I mean, it's kind of big. I like it, what I could say. This is my drawer, like my decoration stuff. It's falling off. Then it's my desk and my books. Just a couple of them. And I have an own bathroom, which is kind of nice. here. And then I have a closet, whatever this is. This is not really cleaned up, and I don't have a lot of stuff because I just got back from America, you know? That's my bed, and this is my favorite thing of my whole room. It's my fan. And then we're going to my parents and / brother's room. It's kind of really cold here because their air conditioner is actually working. So yeah. What I like is like the view here. It's kind of really nice off the city. And their bathroom and everything is there. They have like a double shower and a big bathtub and stuff. And then one more upstairs is my sister's area. So this is like the closet room. I wish I would have that. And then that's just like a sitting area. And that's the bathroom. This is kind of like dangerous. That's kind of nice, I haven't seen it. Okay, and that's her actual room. And that was it with the house tour, I think. This is our house. I like it here, but we're gonna move away again, so the next house tour is not far away. So yeah, if you guys like that, leave us a thumbs up, and then see you next time. Bye!